How do we find out phi of 0.674 using normal distribution table? First, phi of 0.6. Look, where do you have 0.6? 0.6 is present over here. Next decimal is 7. So in the same row, you need to look for the 7, that is over here. So this is that number, which is 0.7486. Now third decimal is how much? 4. What value do I have for 4? In the same line, now you will be looking over here. In the fourth place, I have 13. So you should add 13 to the last digits. So what will it result in? 6 plus 3, 9, 9, 4, 7. This is nothing but phi of 0.674. Okay, this is how we find 0.6 over here, next decimal in the same row, then this also on the same row. If I want to find out phi of 1.282, how? Look at here 1.2 on this column, which is present over here. Clear? Now the next number is 8. So in the same row, you go to 8. You have this number, that is 0.8997. Okay. Now the next decimal is 2. So continue the same row. In second position, I have the number 4. So you should add 4 to the end. So what will it result in? 7 plus 4, 1, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carried. So here 0, 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So again 0, 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is nothing but 0.9001. Now phi of 2.576, how do we find? First look at this 2.5. In the first column, look for 2.5, that is over here. Next decimal is 7. So in the same row, stop at 7. So that is over here. Okay, which is 0.9949. Now the next decimal is 6. So in the same row, look at the sixth position. What number do you have? You have 6 over here. So it is 1. Add 1 to this. So how much will it become? 9 plus 1, 10. So here it is 5, 9, 9 and this. So phi of 2.576 is this one. Next, phi of 1.052. How do we find? Look here 1.0. In the first column, where do you see 1.0 here? Next digit is 5. So in the same row, stop at the fifth position, that is 0.8531. What is the next decimal? 2. So continue in the same row. See, 2 is here. We have a number 5. This 5 you need to add to the last decimal. So 1 plus 5, 6, 3, 5, 8, 0. So this is equal to 0.8536. Phi of 2.175 is how much? First, see here 2.1. In the first column, where do you come across 2.1? That is over here. Next decimal is 7. So on the same row, stop at 7. that is this number, which is 0.9850. Next decimal is 5. So in the same row, look at the fifth position, what do you have? You have 2. Add 2 to the last. So this will result in 0 plus 2, 2, 5, 8, 9. So phi of 2.175 is this much.